yours basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice.
Okay, y'all, so this wig was actually in really bad shape. I found it under my sink and I was actually gonna throw it away. The lace was thin, it had a bald spot, and I honestly didn't know if it was worth saving. So instead of throwing this wig away, I decided to add bundles to it to see if I could bring it back to life. Okay, y'all, so here's the most important part. I had to figure out how I was going to cover up this bald spot. So as you see me doing, I placed the tracks over the bald spot and I just covered it up. Okay, y'all, this was the end result, and this is when I started having hope in the wig. And as y'all see, I kind of made it like a closure kind of type of situation, because I did cover up the other side of the frontal, the spot that was balding, with the bundles.
Where do you end? Where do I begin? Start over again. Feel like melting, melting. Where do you end? Where do I begin? Start over again. Feels like melting, melting.
I really need time now. I need a frame mind now. I really need mine now. Yeah. This is the piece that you cannot buy. Send me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the piece that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system, he cannot pray. I need to find relief, but behind my mind it runs. All these snaps are double me. I need to give up my babe. I need to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need my dog. I need a free mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need time now. Oh, yeah. Just let me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Yeah. So set me free. Now I need to find relief. Set me to the open side. Now I need to free my mind.
Drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby is built around me. Kingdoms be falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me believe. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feels like I can choose, and I swear it feels like I can choose. Will you ever know?
Okay, y'all, be honest. Would y'all have tried to save this wig?
Your eyes that can be open far and wide. It's only the two of us. You don't know my name. Everything I need like somewhere.
You don't know.
Oh, you make me feel so alive.
And I'm swearing, baby,
Let's be all over.
you don't know.
Oh, you make me feel paradise.
Okay, y'all, this is how the wig turned out. We'll be doing more transformations like this soon, so stay tuned. Know what you guys think about this wig transformation down below.
Is the heart of a woman.